My name is Stephen Matczak, and I am an instructor with AJAC. I enjoy passing on knowledge and information to students, whether they are first-year apprentices that are new to industrial maintenance or seasoned technicians that want to develop and hone their skills. I feel that every employer wants the most and best qualified individuals at their facilities, specifically in maintenance, because the quicker they can identify a problem and repair it, the quicker the equipment can be back up and running and back into production. I can share that with the students, and also understanding what they're working on, I can tie the lesson into directly a piece of equipment or a component that they will see in their plant.
We hire all of our instructors out of industry. Why do we do that? Because those instructors, those individuals are experts in what they do on the job, right? And then they spend their time 4 to 5 to 6, depending on how many classes they have per week, to be able to give back, right? To be able to share their knowledge and training with the new generation. But what they also do is they also serve as subject matter experts when we're revising and developing curriculum. And as industry changes and as technology changes, they come back and say, hey, we need to revise our curriculum because we want to make sure that we're teaching what is currently going on in industry.
I think it's important for instructors to have industry experience because there's nothing that is greater than actual hands-on experience in the field. You can't beat it. You can only learn so much out of a classroom. And if you have an instructor that's only learned in a classroom, they're only going to be able to teach you classroom-based skills, not real-world experience. It makes me trust what they are teaching a lot more than someone who just learned from a book. So they've gone through it, they've been out in the shop and learned what it takes to make a part and make a quality part, what doesn't work, what works.
Perhaps the most rewarding aspect, as any teacher I think would admit, of the job is to see that even if it's just one student become successful in whatever their definition of successful is, but to see them continue down a career path that you had part in starting them on. I wouldn't replace that feeling with anything.